In the fullness of time, there arose an emergence, those supernatural.
There are certain mistakes you made as a result of your impatience that Jehovah will leave you to carry your cross. He will only make sure that the cross does not consume you. God does not endorse impatience.
4 meetings, 1 man in New York City, United States of America. Those Supernatural 2018 with the Restoration Apostle Johnson Suleiman.
You think I'm guessing? Is that his name? Why did you collapse? Wait! Hold on! Clap for Jesus! Come! Leave her, come, daughter, come! Wait! Wait! It's okay. Don't worry. Wait! Come! Clap your hands for Jesus.
Those Supernatural 2018, New York, United States of America. Date 20th and 21st November 2018, 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. daily. Happening at the New Covenant Dominion Cathedral, 1175 Boston Road, Bronx, New York 10456. For inquiries, please call +134 785 49625 or +192 945 29506 or +134 763 96542. Here shall be divine shaking. New York City, United States of America.